gearing up for that winter storm this weekend. We still have a day of some drier conditions, cold but dry, to get ourselves prepared. That winter storm watch goes into effect 6 p.m. Saturday to 3 a.m. on Monday. I think precipitation will be over before that time, but we are going to see some lingering effects, and that also means those delays that'll carry us over into the early part of next week. Storm system finally showing up now on our satellite radar composite, meaning it's getting closer to the United States. Low pressure center still off in the Pacific Ocean, but look at the moisture spreading in. Northern California up through Oregon and into Idaho, we have winter weather that's already spreading eastward, and that is what's going to jet itself eastward and impact our area by tomorrow late morning, early afternoon. Actually, the arrival time of our precipitation is going to be a little sooner than what anticipated yesterday. So that's what we'll be following for you. This morning, again, quiet, but it's cold, and we have some clearing skies out there, which has allowed temperatures to drop off a lot too. 21 at the airport, but 17 in Lawrence, 22 in Chillicothe, 25 in Clinton, Maryville. You are at 20 degrees, and our temperatures for the afternoon hours barely at freezing, maybe slightly above 32 degrees for our southern counties if you're south of I-70. The cold continues to settle in, 20s over the weekend as we have that winter weather. Now, the really tough part in our forecast, and what we've been talking about all week long, is that chance of the ice, the freezing rain and sleet that will start things off for us on Saturday. So those pink bars here will indicate I'm expecting an icy mixture here in Kansas City around lunch and continuing throughout the evening. So several hours worth of this wintry mix. I don't think it's going to be very heavy during the day Saturday, but it'll definitely need to be monitored because look at our surface temperatures, only in the 20s. So it's going to cling to anything that is certainly elevated, any untreated surfaces. So that could include our driveways, our sidewalks, the street lights, the trees, things like that. Eventually the ice is going to change over to snow, and I really don't think that's going to happen until sometime Sunday morning. The timing of that transition directly impacts how much accumulation we're anticipating. Here we are noon Saturday. We have that ice showing up already. This is that sleet or freezing rain that begins the event. Snow right now over Iowa on Saturday, but this model has us picking up an intensity, that brighter shade of pink or purple coming in after midnight on Saturday. This is really, I think, when the heart of the storm gets going in Kansas City. So heavy freezing rain or sleet, and then here's that transition in Kansas City at 9 a.m. That big snow area is going to accumulate really quickly. We have a strong north wind as well expected, and that'll lead to blowing snow in areas of low visibility. Sunday is just not the day to be out and about. Saturday, you might be able to squeeze some errands in earlier in the day. Ice forecast is more significant south of I-70. Yes, there might be a zone where a quarter to a half inch of ice is possible beneath the snow for our southern counties, especially out towards the lakes. So we'll have to follow that up to Kansas City. I think about 1/10 of an inch of ice can be expected. And then here is your latest snowfall forecast. Southern counties, more ice for you and a little less snow, 2 to 4 inches. We go from 3 to about 9 inches pretty quickly. Look at this, from our southern counties to our Northland communities. And then yes, there is going to be a zone, a bullseye of over 9 inches of snow expected. Right now it looks to hug 36 highway, but this could still shift south and it could also still shift north. So it really depends on when things transition from sleet or ice to snow. After that, we're talking the bitter cold.